Just the other day, I was walking down the street.
God damn it.
Stupid fucking slut.
Do you notice you got my face in there?
I told that stupid fucking slut to bend over and suck my fucking dick. Guess what that bitch did? She did exactly what the fuck I said.
Oh.
That bitch left. I was like, oh, you stupid dumb bitch. You left your fucking teddy bear at my fucking house. I can't fucking take it anymore. I feel like my fucking head is going to explode. I had to cut on some fucking music to ease my fucking mind. The bitch gave me a kiss and said she was leaving. I said, bitch, don't kiss me. You just got done sucking my dick. The fuck is wrong with you?
Everything.
And she left.